Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to check search history on Instagram. We start by opening Instagram. Then, click on the top menu of Settings and Privacy. Next, we will click on the Your Activity option. Inside here, we are going to click on Recent Searches. After that, we can see our searches and even delete the entire history if we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.